Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Bustamante highway, and this highway takes you from Sandy Bay in Clarendon into Maypen, the town of Maypen. Now this road, for some reason, this is the most dangerous road in Jamaica. It has a reputation for having more fatal car crashes than any other road in Jamaica. And it doesn't hold that record for just 1 year, it has held that record for consecutive years. Not sure why. It's a straight road. I assume speeding plays a part, but I'm going to take a tour and see what's going on with the road. So this is the only road outside of the highway you can take to get to drive into Clarendon, basically. If you're coming from Old Harbour, coming from St. Catherine, Kingston, Spanish Town, unless you're going to take a highway, this is the main road you have to take. And now that you look at it from the perspective of speeding and accidents, this is a very straight road. I never really realized it before, but it's almost like a runway. It's just straight. A lot of the roads in Jamaica have curves, corners, and those kind of things, but this leg of the road is just straight. This is another very straight stretch of the road. Alright, so this roundabout now, you turn left here, you go back onto Highway 2000 or head towards Lionel Town. Turn left here, you go onto the Maypen bypass. Turn left here, you go into the town of Maypen. There are three main entrances, this is one. And turn left here, you go onto the Bustamante Highway. So we are now on the Maypen bypass, and that means this road was built so that you don't have to go through the town of Maypen. Saves a lot of time and helps with the traffic congestion in the town. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.